Hello and welcome everyone to Oil Asset of the Day for the 21st of November, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. We did want to just give you an additional update this week on crude oil. We've had quite a few questions regarding oil this week. We saw a significant surge just yesterday after the oil inventories data, which essentially we did see a drawdown in oil inventories less than expected, which caused over a 3% move to the upside for both Brent and WTI crude oil. As you can see at the moment, what we're looking at for oil is still this range-bound trade. Each time we're seeing oil break down to magnetic levels such as $60 per barrel, $55 per barrel, these key levels for Brent, WTI crude oil, very quickly we are seeing the price action find support, or the oil price get supported from these levels. A major news item that you want to keep an eye on at the moment is the OPEC meeting, which is going to be at the start of December. This is a catalyst typically for some really big moves in the oil markets. You want to have that on the radar. At the moment, I do still see opportunities to sell from resistance, buy back to support. As I mentioned yesterday, we banked 300 points on Brent crude oil on the sell short side actually, before we actually saw that breakout to the upside off the back of the oil inventories data. We're also seeing quite a lot of additional comments regarding the US and China, and US getting involved more so in the Hong Kong protests as well, which is causing some issues between the US and China right now. And there's more of a protracted delay in the trade deal again between the US and China, which is yet again causing the oil price to ricochet between support and resistance. And effectively each time we're getting negative sentiment for the US trade deal, oil prices will tend to roll over. There's perceived lack of demand going into 2020, and from a seasonal point of view, oil can tend to weaken between now and the end of November and into December as we get closer to the OPEC meeting. So we're really taking advantage of the range-bound trade at the moment on oil. Again, making sure that you just capitalize on those approximate 300 to 400 point range on oil week to week. You can make money both sides of the market at the moment, both by going long at support, selling at resistance. I am looking to see whether we will hold at resistance after a 3% move that we saw to the upside yesterday, and looking at opportunities to potentially take the oil price back down again, because we're seeing just a lot of this range-bound price action. And ultimately at the moment, oil just remains a great market to day trade and take advantage of this range-bound trade. So with that, that's just a quick update for you on Oil Asset of the Day. I do hope that helps, and of course I wish you good trading.